Welcome back to Phone Transformer today. I am going to show you exactly how to change name on WhatsApp with our updated 2026 guide. Look at this screen right here. We have successfully renamed a contact in just a few seconds using this very simple and hidden method. First thing first, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Now use the search bar at the top to find the specific contact name you want to rename or change right now. Once you see the name in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the individual chat window. Great. Now look at the top of the screen and click directly on the profile name to access the contact info section. If you are finding this tutorial helpful so far, please hit that subscribe button and join the Phone Transformer community for more tech tips. Now, locate the three dots menu icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on it to see more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, simply click on the Edit button. This will allow you to modify the existing contact details. To change the name, you simply need to delete the whole existing name and type in the brand new name you want to save. After you have typed the new name, go ahead and click on the Save button at the top to confirm the changes permanently. And that is it. You have successfully changed the name on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.